everyone. So this is the ANSYS workbench, and currently I am working on a floor around the tall building. So you can see this is the fluid domain, and here you can see our building. And now if we need to save this file, ANSYS by default save it in a wbpj file. A wbpj file with other supporting folders and files, as you can see here. So if I need to send this file to my colleague or friends or anyone interested in this project, I need to send this whole folder. And if I send this file alone, they cannot access it. And in email, I um, I cannot send this file easily because it has a big size, 2.66 GB. So instead this, there is a feature in ANSYS where I can save this file as an archive. So let's do that. Archive v1, rectangular v1 archive. And now I can send this file alone. So what ANSYS will do here is it will shrink all the supporting files and folders within this single file. It takes some time. So it is archived, and now we can access that. Here is the file. So if I send this file to my friend using email, it can be easily sent and they can access this file easily. It is less hectic. So you can see here it opens the file which can be easily accessed. So thank you for watching.